Let me show you how to make this viral no-peak chicken lower carb style. This is everything that you're going to need. 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 can each of cream of chicken and cream of celery soup, 1 packet of onion soup mix, 3/4 cup of Trinity mix, 1 12-ounce bag of rice cauliflower, and I used fresh, not frozen, 2 chicken breasts cut into strips. Now first of all, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a 13x9 baking dish, I added my rice cauliflower, or you could use 2 cups of minute rice. Now to that, I added 1 can of cream of chicken soup, then 1 can of cream of celery soup, and I filled it with chicken broth and added it to the mixture. Then I added 3/4 cup of Trinity mix, which is chopped onions, celery, and bell pepper. Then I added my strips of chicken. Now you can use chicken tenderloins or chicken thighs, any of those will work. I then added 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of Dano's original seasoning, and lastly I topped it with 1 packet of onion soup mix. You want to cover it tightly and bake on 350 degrees. This is a simple to make recipe for the entire family. You're going to place it in the oven, and remember it's called no peak chicken, so that means no peeking. Set your timer to 1 hour and let it cook. Now this is how it looks when it's done. Rich and delicious. This no peak chicken needs to be a part of your weekly menu. I made mine lower carb style with rice cauliflower, but you could use 2 cups of instant rice or serve over noodles. Now be sure to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Help me get to 1,000 followers. You also want to click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So make sure you click on that bell. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and check out some of my other healthy cooking videos that I'll suggest here with the recipes included. Well, thank you for joining. Enjoy the recipes, and we'll see you next time on Gigi Cooks Healthy Meals.